Hi guys, this is Naz. Today I'm going to show you how to make immunity tea which helps you fight off COVID-19. This tea not only helps you calm down but also builds a very strong immune system. It just takes 10 minutes to make. So let's get right into it. Half teaspoon tea leaves. About half a teaspoon of black seeds, also called KALONJI. 4 cloves. I'm adding 5 pepper balls. A small stick of MULETI. A small piece of cinnamon. Jaggery, depending on how sweet you want the tea to be. And 2 pinches of salt. Just a pinch of turmeric, about 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and now boil 2 glasses of water in a pot. Add all the ingredients and boil for at least 10 minutes. Drinking this tea twice daily should make your immune system really powerful and well built. And now all that's left to do is enjoy. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe.